How many times have we felt the fear before taking any big business decision? This is a problem which we have to endure and we can't even share with anyone. Today, I'm going to give you a short solution to remove the fear of taking business decisions. Hi, my name is Vishal Thakkar, and for last 16 plus years, I have been a trainer and a coach and have helped more than 1500 businesses to improve their cash flows by 10 times. So before we understand the solution to this big fear, let's understand why this fear comes. First of all, we are scared whether the decision that we are going to take, will it turn in our favor or otherwise. Second, we are more worried about people around us judging us based on our wrong decisions. Third, the fear also springs from the fact that we don't have enough information. Now, let's understand. Fear is a 4-letter word, and to address that, I'm going to give you another 4-letter word which will remove fear. Friends, I want you to note this down. The 4-letter word that removes all the fear in taking any type of business decisions is data. Imagine a situation where you are running an organization with a team of 20 people. Every month you are worried whether I will be able to honor my payroll on time or not. How do you address your worry? Step 1. You look at the bank statement to find out whether you have enough money in the bank or not. If the money is short, step 2. You look at your receivables and check which are the customers you need to follow up for money so that you will have enough money by the time the date for payroll arises. If you don't have enough receivables, step 3, you will check the invoices which are yet to be raised for the product that you have sold or services that you have delivered so that you can create enough receivables which can give you money. If you don't even have so much of delivery with you, step 4, you look for any potential customers in your lead pipeline to see whether you can collect advances from customers whom you can provide services at a later date or deliver products. So friends, what did we just do? For the fear that we have whether we will be in a position to honor our payroll of next month, we just followed the data steps. Step 1, we saw the bank balance. Step 2, we looked at receivables. Step 3, we looked at the invoices to be raised. And step 4, we looked at potential customers who can pay us money in advance. This is what we follow usually. And all of this, friends, is nothing but data. And hence, always remember, whenever in doubt, look at the data. Fear may be a 4-letter word, but let me tell you, data is a 4-letter stronger word which will help you to overcome all your fears of taking business decisions.